Hello friends, good evening. Myself Ankesh Upadhyay going to start my reasoning class on the new channel that is Gen Z classes. Okay, so you are requested to please do like my videos, share my videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, the channel name is Gen Z classes. Okay, so as we all know that reasoning is very important topic in our competitive examinations. Okay, so there is logical reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. Okay, so reasoning is very important part. So today in the reasoning section we are going to start clock. Okay, this topic is very important and will give you 1 or 2 marks in SSC CGL, CHSL, MTS and many other competitive examinations, right? So first of all, as we all know that clock must be digital and analog. Okay, so here we are talking about the analog clock. Analog clock means the clock which has a minute hand, hour hand and second hand. Okay, so this is the analog clock, right? So there are different types of questions regarding clock which are asked in the competitive examinations. Number one is, the type first is mirror image. Mirror image of the clock. Mirror image of the clock. Now, how do we calculate the mirror image of the clock? Okay, so first of all, we have to understand the concept over here. Okay, the concept is there are generally there are two times. Okay, number one is 24-hour clock and number two is 12-hour clock. So first is 24-hour clock and second one is 12-hour clock. Okay, second one is 12-hour clock. Okay, in the 24-hour clock, if we want to calculate the mirror image of the particular time given, then simply we have to subtract the time with 2360 to get the desired time mirror image. Okay, secondly, if the 12-hour clock is given, then what we have to do, we have to just subtract it from 1160 so that we can easily get the required mirror image of the particular time given in 12 hours. Okay, so let's take an example of each. Number first, for 24-hour clock, suppose the time shown by the clock is 17:30. The time shown by the clock is 17:30, right? But so we have to calculate the mirror image of it. So just write here 2360, just write down in the bottom 1730, just subtract it 630, right? So 630 is the mirror image of the 1730, right? क्लियर हो गया ये? अच्छा, अब बात करेंगे 12 घंटे वाली घड़ी में। 12 घंटे वाली घड़ी के लिए मैं कोई सा भी टाइम ले लेता हूँ। सपोज मैं ले लेता हूँ 3:50। कितना? 3:50। अब उसको मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ कि 1160 में से उसको मैं टाइम को डिडक्ट कर दूंगा, तो मेरे पास जो आंसर आएगा वो आएगा 8:10। तो मीन्स 8:10 जो हो गया वो मिरर इमेज किसका हो गया बेटा? 350 का मिरर इमेज क्या हो गया? 8:10 हो गया। क्लियर हो गया? ठीक है, अगर आप शीशे में रख के देखेंगे तो सेम टाइम आपको फील होगा। इज दैट क्लियर? सो दिस इज द टाइप फर्स्ट, दिस इज टाइप 1 ऑफ द क्लॉक क्वेश्चंस, राइट? ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ सेकेंड टाइप इज फाइंडिंग द एंगल बिटवीन द मिरर मिनट हैंड एंड आवर हैंड ऑफ द क्लॉक. Second type is finding the angle between minute hand and hour hand of the clock. So type 2, that is finding the angle between minute hand and hour hand. Minute hand and hour hand. So for this we have a formula, just apply that formula easily to get the required answer. The formula is theta equals to 30h minus 11 upon 2m. Just apply this formula, then you will get the required angle between the minute hand and hour hand. Now let's take an example. A time shown by the clock is 3:45. The time shown by the clock is 3:45. But अब बोला गया है कि मिनट हैंड एंड आर हैंड के बीच में आपको क्या करना है, एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है. जस्ट अप्लाई द टाइम इनटू द फॉर्मूला, दैट इज थीटा इक्वल्स टू 30 into 3 minus 11 upon 2 into 45. Okay, minus 11 upon 2 into 45. So just here we can also take the simple number. Just take it 50 over here. 50 over here, just take it, right? Then it is 25. Then 33 is a 90 minus 11 into 25. You can take also the 45, but we are taking here the easy number or easy time, so that you can understand it better, right? So 90 minus just multiply this. 11 5 is 55, 11 2 is 22 and 5 27 minus 275. Now subtracted 275 minus 90 you will subtract, then you will get minus 185, right? You will get minus 185 degree. But here is a twist. Firstly, we will consider the angle always positive. We will consider the angle always positive. So the positive will be 185 degree. Now this is an incorrect answer, because if the angle, here understand one condition, that if the angle is greater than 180 degree, just subtract it from the 360 degree. Okay, so subtracted 360 degree minus 185, then answer will be 175. Okay, so right answer will be the 175 degree. 1 minute. Yes, the right answer will be 175 degree, not 185, because we have to keep two things in mind here. Firstly, consider the angle always positive. Second, if the answer angle is coming greater than 180 degree, then what you have to do, just you have to subtract the angle from that particular angle from 360 degree, then you will get the required answer. Okay, if the answer will be negative, take it positive, right? Is that clear? Okay, then now come to the type C, that is hour hand and minute hand moving. Hour hand and minute hand moving by some degrees. Hour hand and minute hand moving by some degrees, right? Type 3. Type third is hour hand and minute hand. Hour hand and minute hand moving by some degrees, right? Hour hand and minute hand moving by some degree. Clear? So what we have to do, we have to just understand the concept, right? 60 minutes equals to 60 degree, then 1 minute equal to 6 degree. Okay, this is the concept about the minute hand. In 60 minutes it moves 60 degree, and in 1 minute it moves 6 degree. Okay, 6 10 60, राइट. 60 क्रॉस करेंगे तो 6 डिग्री आपका रह जाएगा. Secondly, if we talk about the hour hand, then what we will do that 12 hours equal to 12 hour equal to how many degrees? 360 degrees. Then 1 hour equals to 30 degree. 60 minutes equal to 30 degree. Then 1 minute equal to half. 1 minute is equals to half degree. Clear? So this is the relation between the minute hand and hour hands. Okay. So now let's take an example to understand this topic, right? So for understanding this, we are taking the time 3:50. Okay, we are taking the time 3:50. अब बोला गया है यहाँ पर बेटा इस क्वेश्चन में कि आवर हैंड जो है वो कितने डिग्री मूव करता है? वो 50 डिग्री आपका मूव करता है। आर एन कितना मूव कर रहा है? 50 डिग्री मूव कर रहा है। तो आपका बताइए कि अब टाइम क्या शो होगा, यानी कि न्यू टाइम हमारे पास क्या शो होगा? ठीक है, क्लॉक के थ्रू। तो सिंपली आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, बट आपको पता है 1 मिनट्स में कितना मूव होता है? हाफ डिग्री। ठीक है, अब 50 डिग्री मूव कराना है, कितने में होगा? 100 मिनट्स। ठीक है, 50 डिग्री कितने में होगा? 100 मिनट्स में। देन 100 को आप पूरा तो लिखेंगे नहीं, 60 + 40 लिख सकते हैं, यस और नो? तो 60 क्या हो गया? 1 hour and 40 minutes. ओके, नाउ अब ये जो 1 hour 40 minutes आया, अब 1 hour 40 minutes को आप किस में ऐड कर देंगे? जो टाइम आपको गिवन है। अब टाइम कितना गिवन है? 3 hour 50 minutes। अब यहाँ पे 1 hour किया और 40 minutes यहाँ लिख दिए, 1 hour 40 मिनट्स को प्लस किया तो यहाँ आ जाएगा 4 hour 90 मिनट्स। अब 90 में भी क्या है? एक 60 छुपा हुआ है, तो सिंपली ये हो जाएगा 5 hour 30 मिनट्स। 90 को क्या ब्रेक करके हमने लिख दिया? 60 + 30। क्लियर हो गया? समझ में आ गया? ठीक है, तो ये आपके 3 कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं। इनके बिहाफ पे क्या आता है? क्लॉक से क्वेश्चन आता है। आज हम पार्ट 1 में इतना ही डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, टुमारो वी विल डिस्कस for the part 2, okay, in which I will tell you some more tricks and more concept, and tomorrow also we are going to pack up the topic clock. Okay, if you have just watch my video, go through the questions. Okay, just download it from the net, or from you can solve it from the book also, and then if you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section, right? So don't forget to subscribe, right? We will meet tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. Have a nice day.